tell you. It's a little video.
You're going upstairs then.
No, you have nothing to do with it today, yes I know. Freddy, I'm full of mouth like a what? I don't know why you. Like a 5-year-old opinion.
She buy out the whole of breadfruit
Yes.
fresh African something.
Oh,
You.
breadfruit?
Yeah.
Breadfruit make people afraid?
Come on there.
Oh yeah.
Me never buy breadfruit down there. Me never can roast breadfruit.
Enough of Jamaica.
Me can't roast breadfruit, so me no buy it.
She have mouth every day. And I feisty with people. And when somebody say, come, we can set up, we can do a...
No talk, you know. No talk.
You know?
Because when you had your book opening, you couldn't talk.
That's
So talk. So me not ready for no camera. You did that just people you talk in front and you couldn't find words. So leave me alone.
And nobody not there so. And you can't talk. You
No,
can
you
imagine if
can't.
somebody did
No.
there so.
Yeah.
Anyways,
Yeah.
That's something there on?
no, it's not on yet. I want to set it up for on.
No, no put on nothing.
Why not?
No,
Not set
not
it
to
up.
the idea. I like them.
Where you call up on my phone, but you don't turn on this whole turn it on.
You know, I'm Gracie. Cuss her now. Before she told it on. Yeah, I like cussing. When she told it on, you don't shut
I
up.
trust her. I don't trust her.
So you don't trust me either?
No, you are one of a kind. No better barrel, no better air. It won't know the same thing.
Alright, come. We're supposed to do a friendship video for an Wappy Kill Phil. And you just have go on it. Like, where that take for you to start do a friendship video? So appeal like that, go tell.
She don't know money, no say.
No.
She hide the
Tell what
friendship.
kind of lie.
Alright, my first question to you is, how you know me?
First and foremost, we used to live in the same community back home.
Right,
Second thing, you and my big sister was friend first.
right.
Yeah.
So, me and Grace's sister meet when we were like 25 years old.
Since me know you.
Yeah. Yeah. Me and her meet when I was like 25 years old. I know me at 40 years old. So, for sure you how long that is. How much year that is? You can check that? That 19
You
years?
say 40, I don't know.
That is 19 years.
40 how much?
44, me at 44 now. So that's 19 years. Me know Gracie.
And then, when you come a foreign, the first time when you come a foreign, you come to visit.
Right,
Me come to visit.
right.
But then,
Now that this
Right.
Right.
so, anyways, I get a call from my older sister. I said, guess who they are foreign? I said, who?
Yeah.
She said, Dana. I said, you're a friend, Dana? She said, yes. I said, okay. And she said, yeah, but why you do something for her? And I said, okay. Knowing me know everybody.
Right.
We know everybody, I don't know nobody.
Right. Okay, so I had
And
to
then
call
so
you.
comes, yeah, Hyacinth, they come. I know you're from Jamaica, but I never know say
Yeah,
you
me
start
know you
travel.
because I remember saying me and you go Portmore over your friend Dion.
Dion.
Right, and that was 2013.
13,
Yes.
I
correct.
want to reach over there.
Because we da look about some little stuff
I want to reach.
together.
I'm going to never check us.
We take the bus.
We take the bus. Me and
Of
Gracie meet up out at Dorney Park
And
Plaza.
we take the bus.
And we
to
take the
Portmore.
bus and we go Portmore, and me and her. From there so me and Gracie now becomes friend. So it was me and Gracie's sister.
One trip to Portmore and went on a friend.
Yeah.
No, we know each other before.
We know each other
but
before.
the connection now comes stronger because
yeah.
we start talking about some things that we want to deal with. So
Right.
it's like,
I don't know where to Portmore.
yeah.
And then we went to Portmore, we developed that, you know, that connection there, and we changed number and we started to talk. I used to go in at Gracie yard, you know.
Yeah. Up on Sunday, you used to
Up on
pass by.
Sunday evening, me used to walk going to Gracie yard, go look for Gracie's sister Hyacinth, because I'm me and Hyacinth. Hyacinth, I'm a sister, I'm a real general, which is Gracie,
My elder sister.
bigger sister. So,
Yeah, so.
yeah.
Yeah, I had the biggest one.
And that's where me know Gracie from, through our sister. But after me come now, after in 2015, me and Gracie that have connection, me and Gracie that talk. And in 2015 when I come up here now, Gracie make a link for me and talk to somebody and help me out on a situation. And then that's when me and Gracie start to communicate more often. Every day. We used to share things, we used to communicate.
Share what kind of thing?
You know?
Then when she know me a real general.
Yeah.
When she know me a real general now.
So then we know her now and me and her start talk and we start to share know more about each other family wise, and then someday then we becomes real general, becomes real friend, because any little thing when I call Gracie would have walk me through things that me no know, me walk her through things that we don't know, and we learn from each other. And that's how, you know, we start grow as a friend. 2015, that's when the friendship really begins to grow.
Yeah, begins to grow because you know we one another way before 2015, but 2015 I will become close.
Right.
And like go through some little stuff, and honestly, we go through a lot of shit. And like at one point I want to give up and start feeling a way up in my feelings, and call Donna and I say, listen, me I got me.
Yeah, but Gracie
Me
come,
a
alright, so
pop
let me
up
tell you, so
yeah.
Gracie did that Jamaica when me up here 2015. Gracie did that Jamaica and then she come up and, you know, Gracie said, she called me and she said, I want to come up, you know, because that was the story where you say, I tell you say you want to come up, you know, and then you say, but me would have stay amongst you. And you say, yeah. And I say, yeah, and me and you live together. Me and you
They
stay.
never say I can ask you husband. You just say yes, sir.
Because she knows that she not have to ask you, because a Gracie come, so she not have to ask you,
Nah,
Max.
that's not
You don't have to come in at the picture, Max. She knows that Gracie come.
yeah, but you talk a story. Talk
Anyway, she asked her. She did ask
Get
you.
permission.
Yeah.
And she get permission, of course.
You could have said no, yeah.
Yes, you could have said no, but you don't say no. You never have no reason to say no. And I come and I live with you now.
You
Yeah.
have reason to say yes.
Yeah, because a Gracie, and Gracie, and my name's Stam.
Yeah.
So anywho,
And then Gracie come, and Gracie was among us about, Gracie did live with me for about 7-8 months somewhere out there, so.
it's so much.
That's all? I know
Never
so
so
much.
much.
I know, or 6, 7.
About 6 going to 7 months.
Okay, about 6, 7, okay.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why I take that.
And I say, Max, I tell girls, say, I go up on my own, you know. Girl, cool with it, you know. Buy me stuff them for me, you know. Help me even seek somewhere, you know. Girl, help me seek place, you know, Max. Then when I find a place now and clean up, and Mel come down and help me clean up, and we clean up the place, and honestly now me I go move out. Girl start showing me face, open her feelings.
What?
She don't want me to leave. She don't think we're ready to leave.
So when we did the other time?
She want I guess
You never know, so
you
she
work
You reach so far with the conversation. We don't reach there so yet.
At this some more reach.
No, we
yes.
don't reach there so
At
yet.
this some more reach.
No.
You
So-
work, so you used to come in late, man. You know, so you used to come in
Yeah,
late.
you used to come in late, so you don't know
Yeah,
a lot
so
of
you don't
things.
know a
And me
lot
and
of
her
things.
used to talk. I don't know everything me ever come tell you.
Vex, you know, me I'll come out of the house, go down the lobby, go and sit down, you know.
Yeah.
Right.
And me and her don't nearly fall out, man.
Right.
She don't want me move. She said
Yeah.
me not ready.
Yeah, she never. Me, I think say she not
think
ready.
that I'm not ready to move.
Me, I say, where she are wanna go, she just come, and you know she need to settle down little, and I don't me I say, me a- like I'm a pitney.
But
So,
knowing
but me
me,
did
me
miss
know
her.
say-
You know, me know say me
yeah.
da go miss her, and
And then, you know,
me da go miss her
But
because
she
I'm
not
in
there
no
every day.
company. She never did it every day, but when she did it, you know. But me da go.
Chat people and then we're
No, we don't chat
We
nobody.
don't chat nobody, we do it
Yes,
once.
so
Man,
you
I
tell
man,
me,
I
mix
talk.
up.
Man, I woman, I talk. Them must chat.
we don't chat nobody, we
We don't
chat
chat
our
nobody.
business.
We
Our
don't
business
chat
was
nobody.
too much
Find
to
their
talk.
husband and them man.
No, we don't
Yeah,
chat
yeah,
nobody.
if we even chat the man, then yeah, but our business was too much for chat other people.
Yeah,
Yes.
we talk about ourselves.
Sometimes when I
Yeah.
chat, people don't even know.
And
No.
it good for be independent and everything, you know. But it's like me just in my feelings, cause it's like me never miss her and maybe
But
me
I'm
never
not going far anyhow.
and me never maybe have the way of expressing
Yeah,
it
no,
to
no,
no.
her that way there. But when she tell me say she a go move, it make me feel sad. It did make me feel sad inside. So it's like every little thing now she said to me is like me in my feelings. Yeah, like you know.
Nothing that go on in the house.
I-
I mean, no.
No, but I'm not. It's like you did
It's
that
not like it
for
go on for long, it's
No.
just like for an hour or two.
Yeah, it never go on for long. I just
Yeah.
in the last minute. You know,
Yeah.
when in reality, cause when she tell me
Kicking
say,
for, you know?
when she tell me say she a go move and she want me help her shop and get the stuff them time there, yeah, now go online go buy nothing. You that never get her go online go buy nothing. So everything when she see, she send them come give me and tell me say I must buy them for her. She send me her money and I buy her things them for her. But when the time comes, I say alright, we buy them, I will pack them up in a little place over there and get everything ready for her to move. And the time when come down for her to go move, I say, oh my God, Gracie really have to go. And even though I never so far from me, me still know say she not there so close where me I go miss her. That's why I say every time when you tell me no say I go left, a part of me just feels sad.
Yeah, I'm want to relocate now again, and she had tried to tell me say no go.
And me just like me I go miss her. Me honestly I go miss her. But you know everybody have their life to live and me can't just say what me I say. But me really I go miss her. Cause me not have nobody else.
Why you
this
miss
close.
most about her?
Everything. Me and
Right.
Gracie talking now, me and Gracie communicate, me and Gracie
Yeah, in everything you have number 1, 2, 3, 4 down the line. Or
Everything.
number one reason.
no number one reason, our friendship.
What?
That's friendship.
You chatting?
Yes.
Then we don't can talk on phone.
No.
The chatting.
We
You
can't
got
talk
friends.
on phone.
Yeah,
The
you got
cussing.
friends.
I think she gonna miss the cussing the most.
Cousin? Never used to cuss them time there.
But then no, we never really
We never used to
show
cuss
her
so
myself.
much.
Chatting, man.
No man, they look a funny part about me I talk about. Like, you know, as me talk, she laugh.
Yeah. You only go around the chatting part and you can't go around it. Man, chat.
Then we don't have to
We
chat.
talk, but we don't
We
talk
talk.
people. That's the thing. You know, so me and Gracie don't
We
call and
talk.
chat people.
Mm-mm.
We're not that person.
Anytime I see me call Donna, it's
We
not
don't
Why
call
don't
her
husband
and-
or no man?
yeah, not
Somebody
necessarily
name
with
of the car or the
husband at
picnic.
all the
If
time.
we,
Or
Yeah,
the
even my
picnic or
kids
the
them,
mother
me
or
I
the
say
father,
something
somebody
about
name of
her,
the
me
car.
me see something, me say, Donna, what you think about this or whatever.
it's just when me and Gracie, the friendship that me and Gracie have, it is different. I have friends, I have real friends. But the friendship that me and Gracie have is just different. Knowing Gracie for so long, I know that me and Gracie never really argue and have a blowout. That is something different. Every other friendship that I have before, me and them argue, have disagreement, malice, not talk.
No,
Me and Gracie, that never happens.
Yeah, and Grace.
So it is just a different
No.
friendship from when we have before. And
Although your ear,
them,
although your ear will say we have the little disagreement the night, it never lasts.
it never lasts.
never lasts,
It
you know?
never lasts.
Me jump up now, gone in a lobby, gone sit down.
Yeah, she get vexed, go down a lobby, go sit
Gone
down.
out the lobby, gone sit down.
Yeah, but she not realize say me in my feelings and me I just that me I go miss her. Me tell her say, you know me I go miss her. So she not to pay me in her mind. And it was a fact. And that is how me and Gracie friendship grew.
So when they move on, if I say that.
No, we not miss you. You can't go. We're not gonna miss you.
Me decide to make a move out, they never try. They don't try to stop me. or
No,
anything.
So then now,
You, me talk and Gracie.
me I talk as me I do my video. Me and Gracie friendship video.
So?
If I say me I go miss you.
Yeah.
So when that time come for me, I have the conversation said me I go do that video there. Me I go miss you if you decide to move out. But this, if you decide to move out and left me in the house, if I say me I go
in
miss
the
you.
house, in the car, you know, wherever there. But we decide to make a cut.
Then you not go on?
Gracie.
I'm just kidding, Max.
Got to be aggressive. Silent inconsent.
If I something I gonna miss you, you don't know where I go.
Listen, you
You
can't
know
tell
you're
a
tight-
man,
you know
you
you're
can't
tight
tell
to me. You know
a, you
you're
can't
tight to
tell a
me.
man if you're gonna miss him or if you're not gonna miss him.
You know you're tied to me.
I'm
You're
not
married
gonna
to
tell
me.
you that I'm gonna miss
Where
you.
you have to
from
go?
me.
You have to divorce me first.
So I said, most people marry and then live together.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, think down something they do.
Think on the
They're
one.
married to somebody. Alright then now. So in 2020, now we get the house and
Sure.
we get the house. We buy the house
22.
here. Here,
22.
this 2020. Buy the house and Gracie did still. They're a little distant from me. Boom. Me see somewhere next door where Gracie could have moved come. And me just
Come next to our rent.
this is somewhere, yeah, this is somewhere next door where Gracie could have moved come and Gracie could have rent and we say boom. Gracie have to come right as so. Right which part me there. For sure you say no, me nah let her go nowhere no. People me nah let her
And
go
Gracie
nowhere.
never in a Jersey at the time. Gracie there Jamaica, her mom passed.
Yes, Gracie that Jamaica her mom pass. I'm go over there go talk to the people them and tell them to hold the spot because I'm a friend where me could have love and how much other people come there. How much other people come there. And the people them
that now, though.
As I
And
come
the
off of the plane today, Dana call me say you have to come up here, come up here.
as you
I'm
come
come straight up here, talk to the lady. Yeah.
and
the
get
rest
the
is
place
history.
and now I'm aggressive right in front of my doorway. And we cuss every day.
You regret that now.
Regret what? I'm
Can you
regret.
get the place over there? So?
No.
If she toss us every day,
She cuss me no matter.
they regret it.
She have my clothes off, of course.
No,
Easy
so,
cuss, you know.
so at the end of the day, they turn off the poster. So at the end of the day, if she get up early morning, she can cook my breakfast and carry come give me. Once she there warm. How the people them about the breakfast? Come on for TikTok, we are doing video. What
No,
Jesus,
no.
you get up on TikTok. That's why you're so you not pay attention to the camera.
So that's why she have
You get on TikTok.
a rules a lesson. She not see nothing more.
That's no, that's why I'm concentrate because I have something else that keep my mind.
Yeah. So she up on TikTok and watch TikTok. Them something
Yeah,
make
so,
me.
so every time I don't want me have to cook breakfast, I come here because I can't stop PR scenes.
No.
Yes.
Yo, but let me tell you, people on TikTok say me and Gracie a drama and them love Gracie and etc. Right? But Gracie is a lovable person. She's fun. And when it's time come for reason and talk serious and if we are talk about business, if we are talk about things, that is a different side. But apart from that, Gracie is a fun person. She loves her children. She's a loving, caring person. Put
Yeah.
aside the drama and the talk bad, you know, act like a real Jamaican, you know, hot to a slang man, etc. But Gracie is a real.
Even in my workplace, the girl, now I really call her name, the person who me and I work together like 5 days a week.
Yeah.
That girl, she said for over 2 years,
She know you.
she never used to laugh.
Right.
I just start a job there a year ago now.
Right.
And she come on board the same time. She said she never used to laugh. And she said, Christine, let me tell you this. You see from me at work,
Right.
every talk you talk me I feel like because me know fear work them different every word that come out of your mouth
Right.
is like something to make me laugh.
Right.
Sometimes you know today I try to talk something serious and she just dead with laugh. I said, why you laugh?
Right.
She said, you're working on us every time you talk for me laugh. I said, no, this is serious. She said, me I tell you, honestly, for the 1 year I did amongst your work, is the happiest I have ever been.
You make people, you put
No,
smile on people's
honestly,
face.
it's the happiest I have ever been. She used to walk around with this stiff face and from she start the job and start work amongst me, she just find like a peace. And then now Christmas,
Right.
I buy her a gift
Right.
and exchange gift.
Right.
And she said it's like
She not have nobody will do that before.
she have never done this
Yeah,
before, and
yeah.
it makes you feel different.
Right.
So me start trouble. I said, well, you just woke up on the right person at the right place at the right time.
And when you come out with things like that,
She
like,
says to me, I tell you about me, you talk serious thing, and you say, you have to make me laugh. He said, no, but me, I tell you, you just did it at the right place at the right time, you woke up the right person. And she's like, honestly, any day you now come to work, me now come, she finds something to call out about. So I said, no, but we have to stop this.
yeah. So that is the thing, you know. That is the thing with Gracie. Her personality, she have a personality with catching, and even if like she might not have a whole heap of friend, just like myself, I don't have a whole heap of friend. I mean, a people person.
Yeah.
But at the same time, you know, you value the people then where you surround yourself with. You treat them how you would want to be treated as a human being, and that is who Gracie is. And that's why I mean Gracie born so, because Gracie not treat me no less than how me would I treat her.
Number one, I don't like drama. Anything with
Exactly.
drama and problem, I stay away. As much as people say I love laugh and
Run joke and
run
talk
my
and the little
jokes,
thing.
I know who to run my jokes with, and
Yeah.
I know who, you know. I mean, as she said, I mean, I have a lot of friends. No, I don't. Like she,
Me not have a lot of
I'm a
friends. You know.
bestie. Co-worker, and that girl, I value her much because we work together, and when we work together, you know, we get things done. Oh, we're supposed to get it done. Teamwork, make dream work.
Yeah.
So I always tell her that, and for some reason she just find it great. And me not perfect, me do make mistakes, and me do get mad when me ready, but me love to run joke and me love to be a fun person. I don't like to sit down around people and people sulking. I just like to always cheer up people. I always say something and make somebody laugh.
Yeah.
Because that's who me is. I remember back home, we have one big man, older person for me in the community. That man run joke with a lot of people. They be so disrespectful to him because that's who he is. So I'm understanding. I'll talk serious things.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, it's just a joke.
Right.
And then disrespect him, and him always a run joke with me, and me just lick him back with something.
Right.
As you know me.
Right.
I always lick him back with
Right.
something. And him come one day and him say, Gracie, you know what I like about you? I know you for years.
Mm-hmm.
And I always I run joke with you, and you never one day disrespect me.
Yeah,
say,
take
no.
it serious.
Me not take it serious because me as a person, I run joke as well.
Right.
And but only thing with me know who to run my jokes with.
Right.
You know, but knowing that we're in the community, them should I really know say that's how it is,
Yeah.
and
Just brush it off.
yeah. But
The next thing again is that I remember when you used to run the joke them with me, me used to feel some kind of weird, cause through me not used to it and me not talk to nobody else so me not used to it now, and sometimes I feel like you insult me. I mean, used to dry up like me feel it, you know, but you don't know. I say, why Gracie talk to me so? And but Max would have say, don't take like Gracie say. I said, Gracie not on a behavior. She like me. I said, Gracie not on a manners, you know. And Max would have said, don't take Gracie serious. You need to clap back. Clap back when Gracie talk to you like that. Him say, and then sometimes when Max say, I'm sorry for you. You don't even have words to answer Gracie. And me say, no. And then he say, you need to stand up to Gracie when Gracie talk to you. Stand up back to her. I'm not saying Gracie talk to you. And so make me stop take Gracie so serious.
so that's why I'm so involved in
Yes.
every time I clap you and
Max,
say,
yes,
clap me back.
yes, Max there.
When you find out say you not to say nothing, you come in with feel part.
exactly. And then we say, I'm sorry for you, and it's not worse. And then sometimes when we clap back on Gracie, you put the hypocrite still say, yeah man, be sweet on me, yeah, clap back. Hear him, it's sweet when we hear you stand up to Gracie, we say it's sweet, Gracie, I find how much. We say, yo, my husband a drama. Yeah, tell you about it. Yeah, but that is how me and Gracie meet.
And of course, my first time coming to America, I've been to New York, and a couple of times I went to New York, and then in at the ending, like when I decide, say, okay, then you tell me, say, listen, come to Jersey, as you said before earlier on. come to Jersey, and I'm like, no, me no know Jersey.
Yeah.
And me I go come out, me used to taking my trains over this side and
Yeah.
whatever, and you encouraged me to come, and when I come 2015, this is where I come New Jersey. And
Yeah.
I've been here since.
And you like it.
Yeah.
You like it at Jersey.
Yeah.
The thing is this, Jersey nice, but it's expensive. New York worse.
New York worse, but
New
the
York
thing
worse.
is, it's more easier to commute in Jersey than New York.
It
To me, you know.
It's
and
easier to commute in New York because you really don't need to drive certain places in New York. New York.
When coming up, when I say commute with me, like with the trains and
Yeah.
the bus and
It's
whatever,
easier at Jersey.
I never used to drive then.
Yeah.
You know, so get around on the train and the bus was,
It was
easy
easy.
for me. I just step out of the
Yeah.
house and I step out the bus stop.
So it's easier in New York.
No, and
Easier.
I see.
Or it's easier here.
It combustible. It too fast going over
Yeah,
this.
it's fast going.
It's too fast going over this.
Yeah.
So over here is a little more
Calmer.
calmer and
Yeah.
relaxing.
Yeah. It's more calmer here for true.
Yeah.
Me not live in New York, but I go to New York a couple of times. Well, I used to go to New York very often, and that, trust me, it's just too much. It's like everybody just dip on a
Yeah. It's always
yeah.
fast going. So yeah, that's the story about me.
Yeah, so that's the story, guys. That is how we meet. That is how we become friends, and it's a lot more everyday life. We talk, we laugh, we run joke, we tell each other with problems. You know, we have the ups and we downs. But the good thing about it, we hold the friendship together. We know argue and fuss over certain things. And if me and Gracie sit down and reason with reason about certain things seriously, no mean say nobody else must hear about it, and that's what friendship is about.
Yep.
Nobody else is supposed to hear. And you know, things happening in my life, things happening in your life, we talk about it, and it is what it is. Just stay there.
And I think
unless it's something that, you know, it's okay for discuss with anybody else, then we talk, make anybody else can hear it, we talk, make anybody else hear it, because if it's not something we hide, but if it's something private, then you know you can't go out and just tell anybody, you know, your friendship business, you know, right, like, you know, even in your own family, your own household, you and your friends have, you know, have discussion about private things. You know what I mean? Say if you're talking in your house, I go tell your husband, I go tell everybody about your friend business. That's what friendship should be about, and you don't really find that a lot.
Like just now, him saying never know we have the disagreement.
Exactly.
Because it was like
Exactly.
it lasts for less than 2 hours.
Exactly.
And
Him don't
him
know.
don't know about it.
'Cause
He just know him like it's surprise.
Exactly. So you
That's
see,
it.
that is what it is. When you have a friendship and you value your friendship, you can't run to your husband and tell them everything, and you can't run to your other friends them and tell them about your friend problems. You know, you're not supposed to go like that. So people must value them friendship, and that is me and Grace's story.
Yeah. And I think time to come, because I'm not used to the camera. I'm trying to get used to it. But I think at some point I'm gonna share a story time with you guys and how we really struggle in this America.
Yeah.
But then I have to be careful of what I'm going to say, you know?
Yeah.
So,
You have to put our words them together. Because Grace is not a camera person, guys. Grace not like take picture. I have to bad her up sometimes. Me record her, but you know, she tell me
Yeah.
say you have to record me when me don't expect it, because if me know me not go sit down in front of the camera.
Nope.
That is always Grace is saying. Grace is funny. I'm always saying make me do a YouTube and you know share reviews and share with thoughts and stuff with, you know, with community and them like things. But Grace is just afraid of the camera. I have to bad her up. You see, oh, she bad me up sometimes, and some I have to bad her up to come, you know, on TikTok, especially on TikTok, when they know them love her over TikTok. So
I'm going to Jamaica soon, and I'm not like Donna, I may do some videos and send to her so
Yeah.
she can share it with you guys and my journey.
definitely.
Going there to, it's going to be 2 years since Mommy passed, so
Gracie
going down
man
there-
passed 2 years.
Going down there to just, you know, go visit, clean up our headstone and stuff like that. So
Right.
maybe I'll share some with you guys and let you see my journey there. Okay, so peace.
Take care, guys, and I hope you like, share, subscribe at our YouTube channel.
And comment.
Leave your comment. Leave your feedback on your friendship. And if you want a Gracie.
And if you want to hear the story and how my journey through this America, let Donna know, let us know.
Yes, drop it in the comment section. We have a lot more story for telling now. Bless up on a nice clean self. Like, comment, subscribe,
and share.
Peace. You know, say, I always used to say I'm not married for divorce. In time I get married, so I'm married once. And even if my husband separated, I'm not married again. He used to say that.
How much we need to give?
But you have to put it on toast. You have to put it on toast, and then you have to put it on bake me mean, and then you put it on toast. So you have to bake it first, you get all the coolness out of it, and then you put it on toast. That's how you do patty.